Fish on, everybody. Fish taking line right now, boys. Oh, that's a nice one.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here. So today we went on a little striped bass trip, me and my dad and my brother. It was a tournament day, so we put in a long day. We caught a bunch of fish. The limit for stripers is 1 per man, so we kept 2 and we were trying to get a bigger one throughout the day, so that's why we were releasing so many fish. Hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you stick around. It's an insane day of striped bass fishing up in the Raritan Bay.
Dalton, grab that.
That's a fat fish.
That's good. It's 31. 31. Fish on, everybody. Flip them. Alright guys, so this is the fish. It's a short, so we gotta throw him back. Let's get another one. We have a fish taking line right now, boys. What? Alright, hit him, baby. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, false alarm, it was a fish. Oh, that's a nice one. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Number 2. There we go, everybody. It's number 2 for us. Fish on, everybody. Oh yeah! Another fish, guys. But because we're in a tournament, we have to get a bigger one. Another fish on, guys. The GoPro might die, so. The GoPro battery just died, but this is the fish we got. It's probably another throwback. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is another throwback we just got.
How much is the other 2 weigh that are in the box right now?
Alright guys, there's like a bunch of hooks on this, so there's 2 fish on this lure.
Out of gear.
on, boys.
Go on, grab it down with your hand. So